Going now over to Mike Eppel, and all eyes right now, Mike, are on the Canadian dollar.
Yeah, indeed, Melanie. It's gone higher here for 2 trading days in a row. In fact, one of the better levels we've seen the Canadian dollar at this year, 75 and almost a half cents U.S. It's jumped a full cent in the past 24 hours, and it follows some signals by the Deputy Governor of the Bank of Canada. Carolyn Wilkins gave a speech in Winnipeg yesterday where she was actually talking optimistically about the state of affairs for the Canadian economy and saying the central bank might have to tap on the brakes a little bit when it comes to economic stimulus. Those ultra-low interest rates that we have grown accustomed to. Do we need them anymore? Signaling that the next move by the Bank of Canada will, at some time in the future, be a rate hike. It's the first time, really, we've heard the Bank of Canada, at least recently, talking optimistically about the Canadian dollar. So that was, or Canadian economy, rather. So that was a buy signal to Canadian currency traders, and hence the dollar moving higher for a second day. U.S. interest rates front and center on Wall Street today because the U.S. central bank starts a 2-day meeting on policy, and tomorrow they're expected to hike the overnight lending rate by 1/4%. U.S. rates have been going up faster here than certainly here at home, and the signals from the central bank about the second half of the year will be all important to Wall Street traders who, over the past couple of days, have actually done a little bit of selling. The tech sector has been particularly hard hit. Real estate market here in the GTA slowing down. Some more signals of that potentially. It's sort of anecdotal at this point. Realisophy, though, saying that sales have slowed for 8 weeks in a row. Prices have remained fairly steady, but again, we have seen this change in the Toronto real estate market a little bit because of some of the recent changes to policy from the provincial government, and also things will change again if, in fact, interest rates start to climb. We'll send it back to the studio.